More than often, we go to a chemist shop without doctor's prescription, hoping to solve an immediate health problem. However, not all the products deserve your hard-earned money. For this video, I visited some chemist shops to find out the most frequently bought products by Indians. After thoroughly researching about these products, I have selected 5 products at the chemist shop which need your immediate attention. I am highly impressed by a few of these products while others are simply a disaster. In this video, I will be unwrapping 5 products at the chemist shop whose truth I think you should know about. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Before I reveal the products, I want to assure that none of the brands of these products or their competitors have paid me. Just like you, I am a consumer looking to buy genuine products for myself and my family. Starting with number 5 on the list is Revital. Revital is among the largest sold supplements for daily vitamins and minerals. But is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's dig in. To begin with, you should know that Revital is a non-vegetarian product. Yes, the outer shell of Revital capsules is made of this ingredient called gelatin. Gelatin is flavorless gelling agent derived from the collagen taken from animal body parts like skin, bones and connective tissues. Shocked? Well, that's the reality of this product. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Impressed by the long list of vitamins and minerals mentioned on its label, most people pop a pill or two on a daily basis without knowing from what they have been extracted. Check the ingredients label. The very first ingredient is peanut oil, followed by minerals whose source is not mentioned. Then comes food grade gelatin, which makes this product not suitable for vegetarians. Bulking agent, humectant, vitamins, again no source mentioned. Ginseng root extract, emulsifier, hydrogenated vegetable oil, beeswax, preservatives, synthetic food colors. What do you think? Can you ever get any health benefits from such ingredients? I guess even Maggie has more ethics. Also, the vitamins and minerals could be synthetically derived which do not get assimilated in the body. This is the reason most people mindlessly pop these pills without actually getting any help from them. Rather, these capsules damage your body. These companies hire a famous personality and promote these products as some panacea for health. It's high time we get aware of such malpractices. Well, to get vitamins and minerals, I would advise you to eat a variety of seasonal fruits in rotation throughout the week. Number 4 on the list is Safi. Hamdard Safi is another popular product at the chemist shop claimed to purify the blood naturally. Most people use it to reduce pimples to get clear and glowing skin. The company even boasts of its 21 days Safi challenge. So is this product really worth the craze? Going through its ingredients, I found that this internal detox formula is a part of Unani medicine. Unani, like Ayurveda, is based on creating a balance between the 5 fundamental elements in the body. In general, pimples are a result of excess heat in the body. And if you closely go through the ingredients of Safi, it comprises mostly of cooling herbs like gulab and shisham. When consumed appropriately, it calms down any inflammation, reducing the pimples. The ingredients of Safi are 100% natural, thumbs up. However, one should understand that Safi is just a promoter of blood purification and not a one-step solution. What I mean is that if you are regularly eating hot, spicy, fried foods, smoking often, drinking too much tea, indulging in alcohol, and then having Safi along, it won't help you much. This is the reason it works magically for some while it doesn't show any benefit to others. A balanced lifestyle is the key to letting such medicines work. Moreover, I recommend you to try Safi for a month or so and then stop for a while. Do not let your body get used to it. Overall, Hamdard Safi is a great product. Number 3 on the list is Glucon D. Manufactured by Heinz, an American food processing company, Glucon D is probably the most popular energy drink among Indians. Although, is it safe? Can it be consumed on a daily basis? Is it a good intra-workout drink? To answer these questions, let's delve into the ingredients. The regular version of Glucon D is 99.4% glucose along with calcium phosphates as minerals and vitamin D2. Just 3 simple ingredients. Basically, it's glucose, and we all know that glucose is a simple sugar that provides energy. One serving of Glucon D is 4 teaspoons, which will give you 31 grams of carbohydrates. And these carbohydrates are coming from glucose. The company recommends 2 servings on a daily basis. But do we need it? The straightforward answer is no. To understand this, we must know that whatever food we eat, it gets converted into glucose for energy. Eating 3 meals a day, we get enough for the daily supply of glucose. If we further supplement glucose with this drink daily, it will be in excess, which would ultimately get stored in the form of fat. So is Glucon D a bad product? No, it's good, but the trick lies in its intended use. In my opinion, this energy booster is only meant for certain situations when you face a sudden loss of energy, be it a sunstroke, or when you get down after puking, or when you get unconscious due to low energy. But strictly not for daily usage, not in between workouts, neither it will help you gain muscle. Consider going to a hospital and getting a drip of glucose daily. Does it make any sense? Exactly, this product is just a replacement for such rare situations. And I guess I need not tell you why you should stay away from the flavored versions of Glucon D, which are not even 100% glucose but sugar along with artificial flavors and colors. Number 2 on the list are Strepsils. When we are down with sore throat, cold or cough, we look for an instant relief from that uncomfortable feeling. Most of us tend to get our hands on the easily available and convenient Strepsils. But are they really good for you? Each tablet of Strepsils consists of 2,4-dichlorobenzyl alcohol, amyl metacresol BP, the two effective modern medical drugs to kill pathogenic microorganisms causing acute sore throat due to upper respiratory tract infection. Although what concerns me are the other ingredients which have just been added to improve the aesthetics of this pill. Mainly this petroleum-derived synthetic sunset yellow color and artificial orange flavoring, which may have serious side effects. Even Vicks has artificial ingredients. This is why I recommend a better alternative which is also present at the same chemist shop, Hamdard Safi. Prepared solely from age-old herbs like mulethi, tulsi and dalchini, it is a much better option. Remember your grandma giving you a stick of mulethi when you had cough issues? Or making a herbal kadha for you to calm down any throat infection? Well, nothing like it, but you can consider swallowing close to a packaged version of it. So the next time when you are down with cold or cough, instead of Strepsils or Vicks, just keep a few tablets of Swollen handy with you. Finally, the number 1 product at the chemist shop that needs your attention is Kayam Churan. Kayam Churan is among the prominent products used by Indians to treat constipation and other digestive issues. It is an Ayurvedic product made solely out of herbs. But does that mean it can be consumed daily without harm? No. This is because the major ingredient of Kayam Churan are senna leaves, which are a stimulant laxative. Stimulant laxatives are fast-acting laxatives that induce bowel movements by increasing the contraction of muscles in the intestines and are effective only when used on a short-term basis. But if you start using them on a regular basis, it can result in developing a laxative habit by weakening the intestines even further. So Kayam Churan is an effective medicine to provide a sudden push to your digestive system if you use it only for a few days when you are facing the problem. Consuming it daily will just damage your digestive system even further. It should be noted that Kayam Churan is not recommended for pregnant women as it may cause bleeding due to its hot potency ingredients. Definitely a great product in the market, just use it wisely. So friends, these were the 5 products available at the chemist shop which I felt needed your immediate attention. As you saw, some of these products are made for your well-being, but many people are using them with unintended purpose. While some have seriously disappointed us with Revital getting the trophy for one of the worst products at the chemist shop. I want to thank Wow for partnering with us for this video. Looking for stronger hair? Check out Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil. Made from sweet almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, Moroccan argan oil, onion seed oil and black seed oil with vitamin E, this is one good hair oil option in the Indian market. Unlike many other hair oils, it does not have any mineral oil, artificial fragrance, colors or preservatives added in it. It is a 100% vegan, cruelty-free product recommended for men and women of all hair types. You can use it as your daily hair oil or you can pump out a generous quantity of the oil depending on your hair volume and length and gently massage onto the scalp, focusing on the roots, 2 to 3 times a week. To buy Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 25% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, then please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. What next would you like to see on this channel? Comment below. You can now support my work on Patreon so that I can bring more well-researched videos for you. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram where I regularly do Q&A sessions. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.